Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 Tesla Model 3 and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools we need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire tail light. So just apply a slip solution to the lens and just be careful not to spray too much on the electric port section of the tail light, and just remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. So when it comes to the pieces that covers this whole entire intersection of the tail light, it's a two-piece installation. For the first piece, we recommend starting right on the edge. That way it covers this whole section here, and you just follow the rest of the design of the tail light until you reach it to this end. So make sure it's not touching the paint, lift it, and just make sure it's aligned to the actual tail light. So just make sure to remove any air bubbles that are underneath the film. Apply heat to help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and then we're going to do the same step for this small piece that covers this section here. So grab your heat gun, apply heat to seal this whole entire film on the edges, and we should be good. And you would do the same for this lower section here. So align it to the edge here. Align it to the edge. Follow through until you reach to the edge here. Go ahead and grab your squeegee and tuck it underneath. And just apply heat to seal it, and then we should be good. So for the next piece that covers this section here, apply slip solution to the front end of the tail light and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is place the film and place it to each section of the tail light. So make sure this section is aligned here. You have coverage, you know, material here. So all we need to do now is apply tack solution underneath the film, and on top, grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film. And to help seal the edges here and on the side here and here, just apply a little bit of heat, use your microfiber towel, and you should be good. So for the top piece, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. You want to start by lining it on the edge here. Help it and place it on this section. Make sure it's aligned to the edge. And now all we need to do is start tightening it down to secure it. So lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath the film. Keep it aligned to the edge. Apply tack solution on top. Hold the film with your hand, that way it doesn't move, and then with your squeegee you start tagging everything down, and then carefully squeegee around this small curve here, secure the film, and then just follow through until you reach to the other end. Okay, and now to seal this whole entire film, just apply tack solution and yeet, and then use your microfiber towel to help remove any solution and seal this whole section of the tint that was installed. So when it comes to doing the installation for this last piece for the tail light, apply slip solution to the adhesive side of the film and just a little bit to the tail light, since this is where the electric port is located. And all we have to do is just place the film and make sure we align it. Just keep in mind, if you do put a little bit of pressure on the port, it is going to lift. So just make sure, take your time when you're doing this, that way it doesn't lift on you. And all we have to do now, once we finish aligning it, spray tack solution on top, hold it, and just slightly start tagging everything down. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. And once you remove all the solution, we're just going to apply heat to seal the edges, and then we should be good. So once you finish with the entire installation, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire tail light. So all you need to do is apply tack solution to the lens. Then we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges, and also just to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting. So take your time applying heat throughout the entire tail light, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2024 Tesla Model 3. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.